Foods to fix hair loss. Hair loss is a common problem. A lot of my gastroenterology patients complain about this alongside their gut symptoms. There are various reasons for hair loss, and deficiency of certain nutrients can be one reason. In this video, you'll find out such superfoods that can support hair growth. Hair loss amongst Indians is becoming a significant problem, especially in youngsters in their 20s and 30s. What are the reasons for this, especially in cities? Recognizing the problem, making changes to your nutrition can potentially reverse hair loss in younger people. What causes somebody to lose hair? Firstly, genetics. Family history of hair loss can affect and result in thinning of the hair or like a receding hairline. With age, of course, like me, a lot of people lose hair. In women, hormonal changes that occur during pregnancy, following delivery, during menopause can be due to fluctuating hormone levels, and hair loss can happen. Medical conditions like overactive or underactive thyroid, diabetes, certain autoimmune conditions that is primarily based on our immune system, affecting our immune system like vitiligo, lupus, these kind of conditions can also affect. Polycystic ovaries, or if you're getting repeated infections of the scalp, especially fungal infections. Certain medications, including those undergoing cancer treatment, having chemotherapy, people taking certain antidepressant medicines. Certain blood pressure medicines can also contribute to hair loss. Stress. Hair loss due to stress can be temporary, and it can be triggered by significant stress following, for example, severe illness. You have had a major surgery, and temporarily a lot of hair shedding can happen. Exposure to various pollutants can damage the scalp and hair. Excess heat, hard water, all these can contribute. Nutritional deficiencies. So lack of essential nutrients can affect hair growth, and low levels can cause significant hair loss. Deficiencies like iron deficiency, vitamin D, minerals like zinc, biotin, protein deficiency can all affect hair growth. Let us look at the foods that we need to prevent hair loss and give you a better hair growth. Firstly, protein-rich foods. Hair is primarily made of a protein called keratin. So taking adequate protein intake is essential for hair growth and also maintaining its strength. If you're a non-vegetarian, you can take chicken, eggs, fish that gives you a good source of lean protein. If you're a vegetarian, you can get adequate protein intake from taking various forms of lentils, legumes like rajma, chickpeas, soya, paneer. So approximately 1 gram of protein per kg of our body weight is required to maintain healthy nutritional balance and also healthy hair follicles. Iron-rich foods. Iron is highly essential to help our red blood cells carry oxygen to the hair follicles and can stimulate hair growth. Decreased iron can therefore cause hair loss. You need to consume iron-rich foods like spinach, methi, which is fenugreek, various green vegetables incorporating as part of your daily diet can help in the hair growth. Foods that are rich in antioxidants, they protect from damage to our hair follicles. Various types of berries, blueberry, strawberry, gooseberry, which is amla, seasonal kala jamun, pomegranate, all are rich in antioxidants and vitamin C that helps in collagen production as well as iron absorption. Omega-3 fatty acids, B vitamin-rich foods, walnuts, flax seeds, almonds, high in omega-3 fatty acids, and also biotin that can help reduce inflammation and promote hair growth. Pumpkin seeds that are rich in zinc, which is essential for hair growth and repair of any damaged hair follicles. You can also take peanuts, pistachios. So better to have a handful of mixed nuts for the better hair growth. Foods that are rich in vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps in maintaining a healthier skin and hair. One of the best sources of vitamin E is almonds. Other foods like sunflower seeds, avocado, whole grains like quinoa, barley. You can make mixed salad with spinach, avocado, sunflower seeds, and different sprouts to get good amounts of vitamin E that helps nourish and protect your hair follicles. Which oil is best for hair growth? Applying coconut oil to the scalp. It is rich in fatty acids that provides deeper moisture. It can help reduce dandruff and improve your scalp health. Small amount of coconut oil applying to the scalp with gentle massage. You can leave it for a half an hour or overnight before you wash your hair. Secondly, castor oil, known traditionally for its hair growth promoting properties. Castor oil can be helpful in strengthening the hair follicles. It has antifungal properties, reduces the dandruff. It is somewhat stickier and thicker when you compare to the coconut oil, and will get better benefit from leaving it applied on the scalp, especially if you leave it for overnight before you wash your hair. Similar benefits you can get from applying avocado and olive oil on the scalp, that is rich in vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E. So it helps with nourishing the hair as well as moisturizing the scalp. Some amount of scalp massage when applying these oils for a few minutes also help to enhance the blood circulation and improve the overall scalp health. Apart from these foods I have mentioned for improving hair growth and preventing hair loss, it is very important to have good sleeping pattern, regular exercise, adequate hydration with water, dealing with stress by various de-stressing methods. These are all part of our regular diet as well as body's natural immune system enhancement that helps eventually with preventing hair loss. Thank you.